So please tell me, what is the it thing in VR?
What's really exciting, and the reason VR is taking off today, is just the massive amount of investment that's been made in smartphones. If you look at the technologies associated with VR and you look at the technologies associated with smartphones, there's a huge amount of overlap. So we're literally getting billions of dollars invested in next generation smartphones, and those things immediately feed back into VR. That includes things like the displays, the quality of the displays, the resolution of the displays was a critical factor for VR to become what it is today. Without that, there would be no VR. Other things, the tracking technologies, the camera technologies, these things were the essential aspects that allowed us to launch into this next generation of VR and have it as good as it is. Mobile is VR. It's like, even though mobile launched it, mobile's going to be the center of the world for it because that's where all the investment is.
How do you think VR on mobile is going to be used? Is it going to be gaming? Is it going to be storytelling? What do you think?
The reality is it's going to subsume everything that you use a PC today for. I mean, they are PCs, really. So when we think about gaming, it's already beginning to do that. More gaming's being done on smartphones. In 5 years, maybe 10 at the outside, you're not going to have a smartphone anymore. You're going to have a pair of glasses you put on in the morning. It's going to be a fully enabled AR system. It listens to you, you can interact with it. It's live. If you want to play games, it goes dark and you're in an immersive space. Or if you want to play whatever generation Pokemon Go is, you can follow your creatures around, but it's going to be right in your head. It's going to weigh about 60 grams, and it's going to have incredible resolution, but it's going to be a phone, it's going to be your PC, it's going to be your widescreen television, it's going to be your IMAX. It's all going to be right there, always on and always available.
Does that scare you or does that excite you?
I love that. I think it's a kind of freedom for humans. It allows them to start being creative anytime, anywhere, to start playing anytime, anywhere. Having that access to information and ideas is so critical. The fact that we can now put the internet in our pocket with a smartphone is a game changer. What happens when we tie that information in real time to the things around us so we can understand this information space that we're in a much deeper, much more profound way? I do think it's going to have a direct impact on the nature of what we are, a very profound one, but that's the most exciting thing.